Usambut Menteri Rangba Khubor basnya bhalang dhar ulai ke Ïaroh Menteri Rangba Khubor ukonrat ke sangma ubalashim kia nak benta kimat ki bekta ia kebit kebiang jogi kristan. Habakrem bikilap pathai Khubor ubasnya bhalang ulai thu bekini kapau de kejingklo jong Menteri Rangba ban Ïalam hi kinong Niam ban ye Kynduh markmat yu Menteri kampo yeng kari wa Amit Shah ban ye keren markmat batu.
Amit Shah has been appointment for Chief Minister. Under his leadership, he take all the church elders from different sections of society and they make links and they place the request about the FCRA, you know very well. So we as a government, especially under the leadership of Shah, we always want to protect our Christianity from the state of Meghalaya, especially and in the country as a whole. And you have seen that even throughout the countries, if any issues faced by the Christian people, they always face our chief ministers. We are very proud to say that. And obviously, especially from the legislature of Meghalaya, especially under the leadership of Shah, we are always there to protect our own people, especially when they face this type of issues in the churches or all the Christian people of the state. So we are here to protect, to listen the voice and the request by our people, and CM has done it. He met the people and the governments of the ministries, and we have seen what CM has clearly explained everything. So from my side, I just want to share that we are very happy that thanks the government of India for listening to our requests, and finally that CM has took them to meet them personally at the level.